Hi, I'm Tanya. I like to make cool things in order to keep sane. Today I'm going to make some little chairs. These are little chairs that I got out of a game. Like I had to stack them and tip them over and stuff. So I grabbed them and I painted them with just a bit of spray paint, matte black, and went from there. They happen to be a great size for 1 to 12 miniatures, so that's why I'm using them. This is those little things that you put on the bottom of chairs to stop it from scraping your floor. Nice little bit of padding, perfect size for the chairs, keeping the sticky side up, so to try and make the whole process easier. I'm just sort of popping on there. I'm going to roughly trace around it so I know whereabouts to cut. Give myself a bit of overlay to stick over onto the tacky side of the little, whatever they are. I don't even know what they are. Cushions. They're going to be cushions. Those scissors do sound like they've had better days, but hey, they're working. It's all good. Give it a rough cut around, and then I'm going to snip the little edges there so they fold over nicely. I found a really pretty little assortment of materials. This is where the sticky bit comes into play. My genius craft mind. Apologies, I may sound a bit snuffly today. I have been battling a cold for a week, but thanks to some medicine, I've joined the land of the living for a little bit. Cool. 2 pads, top and bottom, bit of pretties. This is like a felt sticker. This is going to be the back of the padding of the chair. As you can see, I'm not big on measuring, more of an eyeballer, and there's nothing wrong with that. So I'm just peeling a little bit of this material sticker. It had quite a band-aid type consistency, so I'm just doing one end and then sticking it over, and then I'm going to press it all down nice and flat and tight, and that'll keep the material in place and have it nice and neat. And there we have it. It sits nicely on the chair. I mean, that's cute as, just like that, really. Bit of glue. I think if I was going to do this again, I'd probably use super glue instead of this silicone glue or PVA glue, whatever it is. I think super glue would be the way to go. But anyway, nice healthy dose, bit of padding, popped a clip on just to keep it in place. And on to the next step. I want these to be really decorative and unique, so each chair is similar but a bit different. So what I did was I got some air dry clay, some of that cartoon foam air dry clay, and pressed it into some molds and made some filigree parts to decorate the chairs with. This is super glue. Give it a healthy dose here, there and everywhere, and then I'm going to press the molded piece onto it for decoration. A couple of these chairs are going to go into an Alice in Wonderland piece, so I just wanted them to be quite Magical, I guess. Quirky. But I've pulled that around the sides, which has given these cute little arms of the chair, which is a bit sweet. And I've just tried to make each one different. I did have a fiddle with a silver pen. Wasn't my finest moment. But anyway, it is what it is. There's another one where I've pulled it right around to the front. It's just slightly different again. Just matched up my colours a bit, even though I am going to paint these with some gold anyway. And speaking of which, here's the gold. This is a alcohol ink, which I love to use. So metallic, so pretty. Stuffs your brushes. Don't use a good brush. I've just got a bit of paper down here, some of the baking paper, because I don't know, it works good. Doesn't leak through. My poor brush that is going to be sacrificed to the craft gods. That little filigree piece has a few gems and things hidden in there. It's kind of cool. I would love to do this again, but trying all kinds of different things to decorate the chair. I think you could go really wild with it, like bits of earrings and beads and heaven knows what. Yeah, so that's my little tutorial, I guess, on how to make some little chairs, or decorate some little chairs. These are going to be great in some future projects. And hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.